Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our video where we'll be diving deep into the world of enterprise software for facility management. We'll be exploring two key types of software: computer-aided facility management and computerized maintenance management software. They're both crucial tools, but each serves a different purpose. Stay tuned to learn how these tools can help you streamline your operations, automate tasks, and make informed decisions. Whether you're part of a maintenance team or an operations team, there's something valuable for you here. Now let's dive into the world of computer-aided facility management and computerized maintenance management software. These two types of software are both crucial tools in the realm of facility management and maintenance, but they serve different purposes and have different focuses. Computer-aided facility management software is a powerful tool for facilities managers who need a broad overview of their properties. It helps automate various aspects of facility management, including real estate usage. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your entire operation. For instance, with computer-aided facility management software, you can record maintenance and repair information to get a clear picture of how your budget is being used. This can help you identify areas where you might be able to cut costs. It also allows you to understand the condition of your critical assets, keep track of work orders, and repair history, and even manage warranties. But that's not all. Computer-aided facility management software also includes a contractor database. This is a handy tool for hiring outside resources more efficiently. It includes important data like contractor location, certifications, and contact information. Plus, it lets you generate work order invoices and collect feedback on contractor performance all in one place. On the other hand, we have computerized maintenance management software. This gives maintenance managers and technicians a more detailed look into the maintenance operations of a facility. It's like having a microscope for your maintenance operations. With computerized maintenance management software, you can keep track of work costs and orders, machine history, and labor records on critical equipment. This information is not just available to maintenance managers for making high-level business decisions, but also to maintenance technicians who can use it to complete individual work orders more effectively. One of the main strengths of computerized maintenance management software is its ability to automatically generate preventive maintenance work orders on a predetermined schedule. This means that both on-site staff and contractors can know exactly what their next workday will look like. Additionally, the data collected and organized through a computerized maintenance management software system can help facilities managers meet regulatory and compliance requirements more easily. So, should you go for computer-aided facility management, computerized maintenance management software, or an integrated system? That's a decision that facilities managers can make with the executive business team based on what would best serve your company's needs effectively. In the end, whether you choose computer-aided facility management or computerized maintenance management software, or a combination of both, depends on your unique needs. But one thing's for sure, these tools can help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. So explore your options and choose the one that fits your needs the best. Thank you for watching today's video. We've explored the key differences between computer-aided facility management and computerized maintenance management software, and how they can help streamline your operations, automate tasks, and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you make your maintenance and reliability teams more successful.